मैचिंग है।
शर्मा रही हो आप?
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
अच्छा लगता है मुझे केरला। मैं जाता हूँ तो शायद ज्यादा खिला देते हैं। एजुकेशन लेवल अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी अच्छा है। What takeaway food do you like?
Juicy burgers.
बर्गर,
So,
पिज्जा।
yeah, all that.
But this fast food isn't unhealthy.
नो।
Why are Kerala nurses doing well? And why are good nurses coming from Kerala?
हार्ड वर्किंग एंड हॉनेस्टी।
कोविड एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
सर्जरी तक गया हमने कोविड में। स्पेशली पेशेंट को तो सिंपैथी चाहिए, उनको जो हाथ में
Connection
देना
चाहिए।
चाहिए, कनेक्शन है।
What would you say is the biggest issue facing the medical system in India?
Lack of manpower. Almost 15 nurses would manage more than 100 patients in a general ward. Empathy and hard working and honesty is just, this is what we are in Kerala. So for our hospitals to run, for a general hospitality, we need good education, nursing education.
Hello. How are things?
Fine, sir.
What's going on?
Yes, everything is smooth going on.
Everything is smooth?
Yes.
Yeah.
But your work is quite difficult.
Yes.
Doesn't it disturb you?
Obviously, when I go to
Hindi.
sleep, I still hear the monitor beeps.
Yeah.
The monitors and the infusion pumps, everything. So it does.
And how come you became nurses?
I'm a second generation nurse actually. My mother is also a nurse.
Okay.
So from a very young age, I was already clear that I wanted to join this profession because when I used to go and pick up my mum from her shifts, she used to tell me all these stories. We did this and then this patient came and then this happened, that happened.
And you?
वो बचपन में मेरा एम्बिशन था,
Ambition।
बचपन में यही था, क्योंकि फैमिली में एक
बचपन
बंदा
से
तो होना
हमारा
चाहिए।
माइंड में यही है, हम एक नर्स बने।
और आप सब दिल्ली में
अभी दिल्ली में केरला का पुदुपल्ली है।
And if in the hospital system you could improve one thing, what would you improve?
कभी कभी जूनियर स्टाफ जाके आप कैसे है, ऐसा नहीं, पेशेंट के पास खड़े हो जाओ, उनसे पूछो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तो पूरी की पूरी हिस्ट्री वहाँ से ले लो। डायग्नोसिस पता होना चाहिए एक स्टाफ नर्स, फिर वो क्या क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ है। बट इतना तो जूनियर स्टाफ पेशेंट के पास जाके टाइम नहीं दे सकते।
स्पेशली पेशेंट को तो सिंपैथी चाहिए, उनको जो हाथ में
Connection
देना
चाहिए।
चाहिए, कनेक्शन नहीं है। उसका दवाई वगैरह हाथ में देना चाहिए, ये नहीं है आपको चाहिए तो खा लो, यही मेंटालिटी है न्यू जनरेशन।
Did you ever think of going outside India, Dubai or Middle East?
नहीं, मेरा बेटी यूके में,
वहाँ पे है?
इनके साथ
She's
पढ़ाई
my
किया।
batchmate. Her daughter is my batchmate.
Okay, and she's a nurse there.
Yeah, she's a nurse in the UK.
And what is the difference over there and here?
So
Do they-
one major difference is that the shift timings are quite different because they get 12-hour shifts and we get 8 hours and then a night shift. They have continuously 12-hour shifts, and I think वहाँ पे the pay is different because
Obviously, huh?
because they get paid by the hour and we get paid like we have a basic pay and then our monthly salary comes in. So that is also different, and then I think it's easier to climb the career ladder there because there's just too much diversification of what you can do further in the career. So because there's this infection control nurse, diabetes nurse, podiatric specialist nurse, telemetry nurse. This is like plethora of things that you can diversify your career into. So that is better there, I think so.
And here is less number of things you can do?
Yes, so for you to attain a specialty here, you need to have a master's or master's degree specifically for that. But outside, I've seen that if you've gained a certain experience in that area, you can try to attain that level of that that tag of specialty that
So you
want.
don't need sort of some exam or some certification. It's simpler there.
Yeah, it's simpler there. I believe so, yeah. My mother works in a government sector in Chandigarh. She's been a nurse for the past 25 years and she's still working at the same level.
But does she gets upset because of that? She does. What would you say is the biggest issue facing the medical system in India?
Lack of manpower.
Trained manpower or?
Both. Trained manpower. Because private nursing mein to abhi the nurse-patient ratio is okay. But if you look at, I did my practice in Safdarjung Hospital. So I used to see that almost 15 nurses would manage more than 100 patients in a general ward. So we as students, we were very terrified of the crowd, people lying on the corridors with no help and this curtains around. Probably somebody is diseased there and there's a curtain there, and it was a very terrifying scene for us when we were juniors and working, as a recently enrolled nurse into the nursing, and then when you see that situation, it was quite difficult. So I would say...
And what's a good ratio for a nurse to patient? Like 3 or 4?
So in a high acuity area, yes, 3 to 4. But for a ward, 6 to 8 is also manageable.
6 to 8.
And ICU ventilator 1:1 and other patients 1:2.
ICU is 1:1. Huh?
Yes.
Ventilator.
For vent patients.
Because you have to just...
वेंटिलेटर पेशेंट। आप तो जाके आए ना अभी तो आपने पूरा जगह जाके आया था।
केरला तो मैं काफी जाता रहता हूँ, अच्छा लगता है मुझे केरला। लोग भी अच्छे हैं केरला के।
लोग भी अच्छे हैं।
एजुकेशन लेवल अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी अच्छा है, मतलब तो। और पॉलिटिक्स में भी जैसे लोग समझते हैं चीज़ों को और मतलब रैशनल डिसीजन लेते
ले
हैं
लेते हैं अपने आप।
कि इस बेसिस पे सोच समझ के डिसीजन लेते हैं। और मुझे दूसरी बात जो अच्छी लगती है, जो पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम में जो पंचायत का सिस्टम है, लोकल बॉडी का
हाँ,
सिस्टम
उधर
है,
है।
वो स्ट्रॉन्ग है।
हाँ स्ट्रॉन्ग है।
तो उससे बहुत फ़ायदा होता है क्योंकि वहाँ पे मेन पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई लोअर लेवल की होती है, तो इन्फॉर्मेशन काफ़ी अच्छा चलता है। खाना थोड़ा मेरे लिए ज़्यादा हैवी होता है बहुत, मतलब मैं जाता हूँ तो बहुत खिला
अभी
है।
नॉर्थ
टेस्टी है ना?
इंडियन फूड भी और
फूड तो वैसे टेस्टी मिल जाता है हमको।
टेस्टी होता है बट मतलब
हेवी हो जाता है।
हैवी हो जाता
हेवी
है,
हो जाता है।
बहुत खिला देते हैं। मैंने 2-3 चीज़ें नोटिस की हैं। आप राइस के बिना आपका खाना नहीं हो सकता,
बिल्कुल नहीं होता।
है ना? राइस के बिना खाना नहीं होता। कोविड एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
सर्जरी तक किया हमने कोविड में।
सर्जरी किया?
यस, मैं OT इंचार्ज हूँ,
हाँ।
तो हमने सर्जरी भी किया कोविड टाइम में,
आपने?
हम लोगों ने।
नर्सेज ने?
यस, सो डॉक्टर्स भी है।
हाँ, बट करना पड़ा
यस,
कि ओवरलोड हो गया पूरा सिस्टम।
नहीं सर, करना है ना, इमरजेंसी है तो करना ही है ना सर।
रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम से कोविड में डेथ्स हो रही थी
हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा।
बेसिकली, रेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर।
या
बेड अवेलेबिलिटी कम था उस टाइम।
सडन सर्ज
Sudden-
नीड हो गया, नीड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन सब बढ़ गया।
ऑक्सीजन लेवल
Supply
बॉडी
chain
बॉडी
में
लेने के लिए भी कोई नहीं आते थे उस टाइम।
ऐसे एक सिचुएशन भी हमने फेस किया है, बट यही है जो कभी सोचा नहीं था ना, ऐसे जिंदगी में ऐसे
अनएक्सपेक्टेड इवेंट्स आने के टाइम हमें उसको फेस
फेस
करना
किया है।
तो फेस करने के बाद हमें और मोर करेजस हमारा माइंड में आ
हमारे
जाएगा ना,
mind में, yes.
कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल हमारा बढ़ गया क्योंकि आगे हमें कोई
आगे
भी
क्या करना है,
इंसिडेंट
क्या
हो गया
करना
तो
होता है।
वील फेस इट।
प्रिकॉशन क्या
बट
है?
इट वाज मैसिव शॉक।
बहुत
जब शुरू हो रहा था आपको लग रहा था कि इट विल बी दैट बैड?
No, no,
No.
no, no, no.
नो नो
When it actually came, it was worse than expected.
Something that I would like to tell you and I would bring your attention to is that nursing will not improve unless and until the nursing education is not improved. And if at all our teachers and our professors are so overburdened, our education is going to go down. And like all these seasoned nurses are telling us that Gen Z and the new nurses need a lot of empathy and sympathy and the bedside manners and everything. If our teachers and if our professors are so overburdened with everything, I don't think we'll be able to cross that barrier, So that is something that I wanted to
So
bring your attention.
is this a government problem or is this a problem that should be resolved by the private sector?
So both, I think the ratio should be improved in both sectors. I'm very passionate about my career. It's not something that this was a second option for me, that I wanted to become a doctor and now that I've landed up into nursing. No, this is what I want to do for life. And if young nurses are not, they don't receive the same motivation and the same education, like, the passion that I have, I don't think hospitals will run. Without nurses, our hospitals won't run. So for our hospitals to run, for a general, bigger idea of hospitality, we need good education, nursing education. So that student to teacher ratio has to be looked into.
Improved.
Yes.
Why are Kerala nurses doing well? And why are good nurses coming from Kerala? A lot of them. I mean, they are coming from other places also.
Hardworking and honesty.
You also said, no, the education is better in Kerala. So we know that this career is good for us. We know that empathy and hardworking and honesty is just, this is what we are in Kerala.
But I think also, somehow, maybe I'm incorrect in this, but I feel that you are open to other cultures more. If you're seeing some new culture, you're not getting disturbed by it. You're accepting it. That's what I feel. That you're open to different, religions, different people, different communities, different ideas. You're not closed that I don't like this, I don't like that.
That is empathy, sir.
Yeah. You're more open-minded. Also, I think English also has something to do with it. I think so.
Communication.
कम्युनिकेशन।
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
क्योंकि आपको मिलके हम लोग हो गया। मैचिंग है।
Oh, उधर है।
ठीक है ना?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.